This is a tutorial for a cute little bird pouch with a cute peekaboo wing design. Just download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below. To start with, you want to sew the outer layer to the outer layer lining around this center hole. Then you want to clip the corners and curves around that center stitching and turn it to the right side through the hole. Press it in place and top stitch if necessary. Next, you want to baste that outer layer to the inner layer so that now you can see that inner window of color through that outer layer. Next, we'll get the beak ready. Sew the two beak pieces together with right sides together. Then clip the corner and turn the beak to the right side. Baste the beak to one side of the bird pouch. Then you want to add the zipper. Place the zipper face down on the top and sew. Repeat that with the other side of the bird pouch. Place the zipper face down and sew so that the zipper is now sandwiched between the two sides. Fold the two sides of the bag on top of each other with right sides together and sew around the perimeter. Make sure the zipper is open for this part. Once sewn, you want to clip the curves and then turn the bag to the right side through the zipper. And you're finished. You have a cute little bird-shaped zipper pouch.